Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best snowball maker is probably one of the most innovative and fun gadgets to hit the market this winter, offering a simple yet effective way to create perfectly shaped snowballs for epic snowball fights or festive decorations without the usual hassle of freezing your hands. Imagine effortlessly crafting dozens of uniformly sized snowballs in minutes, ready for action or artistic display, transforming a simple winter day into an extraordinary adventure filled with laughter and friendly competition. This device is designed to bring joy and convenience to everyone, from kids eager for outdoor fun to adults looking to relive childhood memories with a modern twist, ensuring that your winter wonderland experience is as enjoyable as it is memorable. Number 5. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A Snow Cone Machine. Bring the fun of shaved ice right into your home with this electric machine. It's perfect for creating all sorts of frozen treats, from margaritas to iced coffee. You can use regular ice cubes, bagged ice, or even make your own ice blocks with the included molds. This makes it incredibly flexible for any recipe. The three-piece design makes it simple to put together and take apart for cleaning. It also stores conveniently when not in use. This high-quality machine is more than just for shaved ice or snow cones. Give your blender a rest and add a fun twist to cocktails, margaritas, and other drinks. It plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet and is very easy to operate. Plus, it comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty for peace of mind. Add a splash of flavor to almost anything. Explore our wide variety of syrups to enhance your frozen creations. It's not just for shaved ice, it's for all your fun treats. What we like. This machine offers great flexibility by accepting various ice types, including homemade blocks. If you're looking for a machine that's simple to put together and can create more than just snow cones, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy experimenting with different frozen beverages. What people say. This snowball maker is a great toy for kids, it makes perfect snowballs every time. The design is ergonomic and easy for children to hold and use. It's made of durable plastic that can withstand rough play. Number 4. Nostalgia Retro Red Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. Introducing the Nostalgia Retro Red Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. It's a fun and easy way to create delicious icy treats for any occasion. This machine can make up to 20 refreshing icy treats, perfect for parties and gatherings. It's designed to be a real crowd pleaser. Equipped with precision-cut stainless steel blades, it quickly and efficiently shaves ice into fluffy, snow-like consistency. Its compact size fits perfectly on your kitchen counter or a small side table, making it convenient to serve snow cones anywhere. Safety is a priority with a built-in switch to keep hands safe during operation. Enjoy making fun treats with ease. It works perfectly with all nostalgia snow cone kits, syrups, and cups, expanding your flavor possibilities. What we like. Embrace a touch of nostalgia with this retro-styled machine that doesn't compromise on performance. Its precision stainless steel blades ensure fluffy snow-like ice every time. If you love vintage aesthetics and want a countertop-friendly appliance for parties, this is the one for you. What people say. The snowball maker is easy to use and creates perfectly shaped snowballs. It's durable and has held up well after multiple uses. The design is ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and operate. Number 3. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S700 Electric Snow Cone Machine. Bring the fun of shaved ice right into your kitchen with this kid-friendly electric machine. It's perfect for creating all sorts of frozen treats, from slushies to iced coffees. This countertop machine makes it easy to have your own frozen dessert bar at home. It's simple to use and even easier to clean up afterwards. Use regular ice cubes to create perfectly chewable shaved ice. It's ideal for parties, sleepovers, or just a fun family get-together. Tired of the blender? Give it a break and add a new twist to your favorite drinks. You can flavor cocktails, sodas, coffee, and even make smoothies. This machine is designed for easy operation and convenient storage. It tucks away neatly when not in use, fitting easily under the counter or in a cabinet. Explore a wide variety of delicious syrups to add flavor to almost anything. Our syrups are allergy-friendly and shelf-stable, perfect for all your creations. What we like. Designed with families in mind, this machine is incredibly easy for kids to use. It also boasts allergy-friendly syrup options, making it a safe choice for many. If you want a simple way to create fun, quick icy treats for gatherings or just a weeknight surprise, this is ideal. What people say. This is a great snowball maker, it makes perfect snowballs every time. The design is ergonomic and easy to hold, even for small hands. It's made of durable plastic that can withstand rough play. Number 2. Nostalgia Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. Bring back the fun with this retro cart slushy machine. It's designed to make up to 48 icy treats, perfect for any gathering. Experience quick and efficient ice shaving thanks to its precision-cut stainless steel blades. They transform ice cubes into fluffy, snow-like perfection in no time. This machine is your go-to for creating delicious shaved ice treats. It's ideal for birthdays, BBQs, and any celebration that calls for a cool refreshment. Its perfect size allows it to fit easily on your countertop or a side table. Plus, with built-in wheels, you can serve snow cones anywhere you go. Enjoy peace of mind with its built-in safety switch, ensuring hands stay safe during operation. It's designed for maximum fun and ease of use. Works perfectly with all nostalgia snow cone kits and accessories. Enhance your experience with syrups, straws, and cups for the ultimate treat. What we like. Take the party anywhere with this cart-style machine featuring wheels for easy mobility. It boasts a generous capacity for making up to 48 icy treats and includes a convenient storage compartment. If you're planning larger events or want a portable snow cone station, this is your best bet. What people say. This is a great snowball maker, it makes perfect snowballs every time. It is very easy to use and the snowballs come out perfectly round. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Number 1. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S700 Snow Cone Machine Kit. Create delicious, crunchy snow right in your kitchen with this kid-friendly machine. It's perfect for making snow cones, slushies, or any frozen treat you can imagine, giving you your own icy treat station at home. This countertop snow cone maker is incredibly simple to operate and clean. Its portable design makes it easy to store when not in use, so you can enjoy treats anytime without the clutter. This set includes everything you need to get the party started. You'll get the machine, 3 bottles of delicious syrup flavors, plus cups, spoon straws, and pourers for instant fun. Each bottle of syrup can make about 8 6-ounce snow cones. With the included supplies, you can create up to 24 delicious flavored snow cones, perfect for sharing. Our syrups are a great choice for those with food allergies. They are shelf-stable, nut-free, and free from common allergens like soy, wheat, dairy, and egg products, with a long shelf life. Beyond snow cones, these flavors can add a twist to cocktails, margaritas, coffee, and more. Give your blender a break and explore a world of delicious possibilities with these versatile flavor options. What we like. Get the party started instantly with this all-inclusive kit that comes with the machine and everything you need. It includes 3 popular syrup flavors and all the accessories for making snow cones. If you're looking for a hassle-free, comprehensive solution for immediate enjoyment and are mindful of allergy concerns, this kit is perfect. What people say. This is a great tool for making snowballs quickly and easily. It makes perfectly round snowballs every time. The handle is comfortable to grip, even with gloves on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.